Welcome to Rotation Control. Rotation control is a feature that allows you to distribute your traffic among any number of advertisers, based on specific passing rules. It creates multiple access points for the lead, thereby reducing traffic decline and boosting conversion rates. You can find the rotation feature in Traffic Distribution, Rotation Control. Let's take a look at the rotation control entities. Rotation folder, the largest entity that can contain other rotation and split folders. A usual business case is setting up a rotation folder based on the affiliate. Split folder, a more specific entity that allows to further narrow the traffic's path, usually is set up for a specific geo, country. Smart folder, an entity like a split folder that can automatically distribute the traffic, set the weight parameter based on the statistics, unlike the split folder, where the weight is set manually. Compare folder, an entity that allows to compare the performance of the traffic automatically allocated via a smart folder. Advertiser, an entity added inside a split folder to create distribution of leads based on advertisers. Cap, the smallest entity, where the lead should end up. Usually, it is set up with additional parameters in mind, such as of sub, working hours, etc. On our platform, caps are generated automatically with the advertiser entity. Each entity can have different rules applied to it, depending on your requirements. Standard rules include: pass all, allows any traffic to enter. Country, only leads from the selected country will be permitted. Affiliate, only traffic from the designated affiliate will be allowed. Day of week, leads generated during this period, for example, from 0 o'clock of the first day to 23:59 of the second day, will be considered. Hour of day, set a particular range of hours, from which the leads will be allowed. Funnel, only leads associated with the selected funnel will be permitted. Offer, only leads related to the chosen offer will be accepted. There are also advanced rules that include: funnel plus country, only leads corresponding to the specified funnel and originating from the chosen country will be considered. Day of week plus hour of day, only leads that fit into this time frame will be considered. Advertiser plus country, only leads from the selected advertiser and specified country are permitted. Hour of day plus day of week plus country, only leads from this country and within the given time range will be considered. Hour of day plus country, leads from the selected country within this time frame will be permitted. Free PQL allows to devise a custom rule. Utilize this rule when creating criteria based on lead profile fields like of sub, email, etc. Let's dive deeper into PQL. PQL, Platform Query Language, is the proprietary language for defining rule sets to govern traffic distribution. All pre-configured rule categories are fundamentally fixed PQL commands. The free PQL type provides a complete range of PQL features, accessed via a selector. When selecting rules in this mode, the raw code is visible in the toolbar above. Here are the fundamental operators and commands for those preferring manual bar inputs: country, affiliate, advertiser, state, offer, IP, traffic provider, day of week, hour of day. Commands contained in: only items on the list are accepted. not contained in, excludes the items on the list. Any of, accepts any item from the list. Accept any of, excludes any item from the list. Start with, accepts items that start with a specific value. Not start with, excludes items that begin with a specific value. Logical operators. And, only leads satisfying all the conditions will be accepted. Or, leads meeting at least one condition will be considered. The FreePQL rules can be applied to any of the rotation control entities. If you open your rotation control and decide to make changes to the advertiser, you will receive a notification that the existing cap will be reset after the change to the advertiser is made. If you wish to delete any entity in the rotation control, you must first deactivate the said entity, and only then the option to delete it will appear. Step 1. Edit the entity that you wish to remove by clicking on the pencil icon, set the entity to inactive, and click Submit. Step 2. Once the entity is gray, inactive, an X icon will appear. Click on it and confirm that you wish to delete the entity. Rotation control is highly customizable to your specific needs, so feel free to experiment. Remember, a thoughtful rotation structure can save you a lot of time in the long run, particularly if you handle a large amount of traffic, advertisers, affiliates, etc. Here are some final tips. If you don't want to place a specific rule on a folder or entity, opt for the Pass All rule, which allows any traffic type to enter the entity it's placed on. Don't rush when planning your rotation structure. A broad structure containing multiple entities with complex rules may take time to set up, but it can save you even more time managing and configuring changes later. We wish you a pleasant usage of our system and hope it supports your growth in your field.